Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PayPal invoicing workflow for freelancers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up your PayPal invoicing workflow as a freelancer, start by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Tools section in the top menu. Click on Invoicing from the drop-down options. If it's your first time, you may need to enable invoicing by clicking Get Started. Once set up, click on the Create Invoice button. Enter your client's email address in the designated field. Fill in the invoice details, including the item description and amount due. You can also add tax, discounts, and shipping fees if applicable. Customize your invoice by adding your business logo and adjusting colors if desired. Set the invoice due date to manage when payment is expected. Once all details are complete, review your invoice carefully. To send the invoice, click the Send button. Your client will receive an email with the invoice attached. Encourage your clients to review and pay via the link provided in the email. Monitor the invoice status in your PayPal account under the Invoicing tab. You can send reminders for overdue invoices using the Reminders feature. If you receive payment, you will be notified, and the invoice will show as paid. That's the complete walkthrough for setting up your PayPal invoicing workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.